In this module, we're going to focus on setting up real-time alert notifications for you and your team. We've made some assumptions at this stage. You have already created an account for your customer, deployed a data collection agent, have confirmed that data is flowing into your system, and now we're able to take advantage of the real-time notification tools that PrintFleet provides. To set up an alert, we simply navigate up to the Alerts tab. From here, we can navigate between groups to see different alerts set up for different groups within the system, or we can proceed with creating a new alert definition. From here, we have some preliminary setup that needs to be completed. The first step is to create the name of the alert to make sure that after you save the alert, you can quickly go back by the group navigation as we saw on the previous screen to understand what the alert is and what it's doing for your team. You also have the option of selecting which group level you wish to track with this alert. It's important to know that PrintFleet employs a drop-down methodology. So therefore, if I were to select the root group, this alert will monitor all current devices in the system and all future devices in the system, or all current data collection agents installed in the system, or all future data collection agents that will be installed in the system, depending on the type of notification we decide to use. At this stage, we have the option to add email notifications. PrintFleet gives you the ability to send the same information to multiple recipients, so that way you have flexibility when setting up alerts for different use cases. It's important to know that PrintFleet also gives you the ability to add variables to your subject notifications. This allows you to make sure that when somebody receives this email, the variable auto-populates the information specific to the situation that caused the alert to be triggered in the first place. If you hover over the question mark icon, you have the ability to see all of the different variables that you can use within the subject line. We also want to make sure that you know that you have the option to trigger alerts based on the event start or when the event is no longer valid. Be creative when you're playing around with these. There's many different use cases you may wish to use this functionality with. In terms of adding the different condition types, we have the options to create supply notifications, error code notifications for service, stale DCA notifications to notify you when your agents go offline, activated DCA notifications to ensure your team knows when an agent has been activated by your customer. We have a page count recurring alert, which allows you to enter a meter name so that you can be notified when meters grow to certain values that you can designate in this area, or have the option to set date recurring reminders so that as the system recognizes that we've approached a specific date, your team can receive a notification. You also have the option of using our advanced security tool to select specific groups which should be monitored by this alert. Or if you were to select a specific group, you can also use our assigned devices view to look at specific devices which should have this alert available for them. If you require additional information on using this tool, please feel free to contact your account representative or refer to the documentation for this tool.